Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to hide your profile on LinkedIn. First step, go over to your profile picture and then click on Settings and Privacy. Now, in order to hide your profile, click on Visibility right here, and then you have the two options to go here. So you have to change your profile viewing option, click on that, on private mode. Then go back and click on Page Visit Visibility, which is on. So allow organizations to see when you visit their LinkedIn page. So we want that off. So click on it, make it off. And once you see here off and here private mode, you have successfully hidden your profile from anyone. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye till then.